A few days after leaked renders revealed the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design, a new leak has surfaced, showcasing the look of the base Galaxy S25 model. The leak comes from Android Headlines, which published several renders of the phone earlier today. In terms of design and dimensions, the Galaxy S25 closely resembles the Galaxy S24. The most noticeable change is the addition of a textured ring surrounding all three rear cameras, a design element first seen on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 earlier this year. While display bezels may initially appear smaller than those on the Galaxy S24, a closer look reveals that they remain largely unchanged, which isn't an issue since the S24's bezels were already quite slim. The Galaxy S25 reportedly measures 146.9 x 70.4 x 7.2 mm, making it slightly thinner than the Galaxy S24, which comes in at 147 x 70.6 x 7.6 mm. Despite the slimmer profile, the battery capacity remains the same as the Galaxy S24's 4,000 mAh, an increase from the 3,900 mAh of the Galaxy S23. Any improvements in battery life will likely stem from software optimization and the efficiency of the chips powering the Galaxy S25. Samsung introduced a high-resolution 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The other models in the lineup, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, continue to use the same 10-megapixel 3x optical telephoto sensors as before. Even the S24 Ultra relies on 10-megapixel and 12-megapixel sensors for its telephoto and ultra-wide cameras. Even Apple and Google, typically known for their more conservative approach to camera upgrades, the iPhone 16 Pro is anticipated to feature 48-megapixel primary and ultra-wide cameras, along with a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.